In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP formula in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started by opening your Excel file. Once you have it open, make sure your data is already prepared before using the VLOOKUP formula. This is important because VLOOKUP works best when your information is organized in a table format with the value you want to search for placed in the first column of your selected data range. Before entering the formula, it helps to understand the structure of VLOOKUP. The first part is the lookup value. This is the value you want Excel to find. Next is the table array, which is the full range of data where Excel will search. After that, you have the column index number. This tells Excel which column in that range should return the result. Finally, there's the range lookup. You'll usually use false when you want an exact match, and true when an approximate match is acceptable. In most basic cases, especially when working with IDs or exact entries, false is the better choice. Now let's apply it. Select an empty cell where you want the result to appear. In this example, the goal is to find the name connected to the ID 102. So in the formula, the lookup value will be 102. Then for the table array, select the full range of your data. After that, set the column index number to 2 because the name is located in the second column of the selected range. For the range lookup, enter false. So Excel searches for an exact match. When you press enter, Excel returns the matching result, which in this example is Mary. That means the formula successfully found the ID in the first column of your table, moved across to the second column, and returned the corresponding name. This is exactly how VLOOKUP works. It looks for a value in the first column of your selected data range, then moves horizontally across the row to the column you specify, and finally returns the matching value from that column. A helpful tip to remember is that VLOOKUP only searches from left to right. So if the value you want to find is not in the first column of your table array, the formula will not work as expected. Also double-check your selected range and column number, because even a small mistake there can lead to the wrong result. And that's it. You now know how to use the VLOOKUP formula in Microsoft Excel.